everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. So today's video is a very requested tutorial of this look which I wore recently in the Pass the Brush challenge on my IGTV. So I did a fun collab with a lot of content creators on Instagram and it was amazing. It was a lot of fun and I wore this look and so many of y'all wanted a tutorial. I also did a poll and yeah, so that's what I filmed today. If you haven't watched that video, please follow me on my Instagram. It's really nice. I also have another pass the lipstick challenge, which again is a lot of fun. The one I am wearing the lid color from a Natasha denona palette, which I originally wore for my IGTV, and on this eye I'm wearing the color from a comparatively very affordable palette which is available in India, and I was blown away with how similar these two colors are. Like, it's kind of a talk through video which I haven't done in a long time on my channel. Before we move into the tutorial, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Please kar do yaar, free hai. Please do like this video and leave in your comments. I love reading them and makes a huge difference to me. So yeah, please leave in your comments below, and now let's jump into the tutorial. Starting off with moisturizing my base first, I'm using the Indulge Essentials Rose Gold Oil. I just corrected my dark circles with the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Orange. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Cream Beige. Using my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set everything in place. So I'm using the Too Faced Natural Face Palette and I'm using the shade Sunny Honey to bronze my face. This also acts like a contour for me. I want to bake my face before we move on to the eyes. So moving on to the eyes, I actually used these two Natasha denona palettes to create it. This is the Biba palette. Mine is broken because my husband threw it down. And for the main really pretty shade of green on the eyelid, I used the gold palette. Stunning shades. Like, the shimmers are very pretty, but I know these are super expensive and not everyone will have this, but there is a palette that I have which I just saw has the similar shade. It is from Forever 52. I have never used this palette before, and this is the Magnificent Eyeshadow palette. Has all beautiful shades of shimmers. Look at that. This shade right there is such a great dupe for the Natasha denona one. Are so similar. You can use any neutral palette for the transition shades that I'm going to do now. I'm going to use this mustardy color from the ND palette as my transition. But one thing I've noticed about her palettes, like, they look a little different in the pan, the colors, and once you start applying them, they look a little different. I don't know if I'm the only one who feels that, but they are very pigmented shadows. Very easy to work with. It totally worth their price point. I'm using this shade now. I cannot remember the names because I haven't placed them properly once the pans fell off. You can use any dark brown or dark berry shade. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corner, just a little bit, and a little on the inner corner. Don't apply a lot at once, just go little by little, then just blend that in place. Once again, repeat that step to intensify the color. So now it's time for the lid color. I'm going to use this really dual chrome sparkly shade. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this is so similar, you guys. Wow. So I'm going to use the Natasha Denona palette here. Wow. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So I'm going to use the same dark shade and apply that on the lower lash line to smoke it out. So I have to put on the false lashes, apply some mascara. I'll do that a little later. I'm just going to dust off the excess. Time for blush, and I've been obsessed with this Nykaa wonderpuf cushion lipstick. This is in the shade Burst the Bubbles. It's super light and it doesn't even mess up your powder and all of that if you apply it over your finished base. So what I'm going to do now is do my lashes off camera, do my hair, and I'll be right back. I am back with my lashes on and I've just applied a black kajal just around the lash line just to cover the lash band. So I'm going to take the Biba palette again. I'm just going to intensify the outer and inner corner a bit of the eyeshadow, just a little. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to use this Nykaa Glamoreyes kajal. This is in the shade Jade. It's a beautiful shade of green. I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line. I'm using the two highlighters from the same Too Faced palette. They are beautiful, beautiful highlighters. It's time for lipstick now. I'm just going to line my lips with a nude shade. I use the Inglot lip pencil. This is in the shade 853. Next I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Bombshell. So as you can see, this looks quite muted. So I'm just going to brighten up the look a little, and I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade San Diego. And that completes the look.